What if you could become a truly autonomous individual? Imagine owning the means of production, taking back the power from corporations, breaking the cycle of dependence. Be a maker. Work from anywhere. Manufacture at home. Maybe your own car. Let robots handle the routine, the boring, so you can focus on the creative, the human. Achieve food and energy independence. Deliver and receive with autonomous transportation. Join forces with other makers. Create, build, own it together. Design globally, make locally. Forge an autonomous man and machine meritocracy. Take back the power. Break the chains. Build a new system of wealth creation. Autonomism. Join us.